Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you prefer learning through videos instead of text, the video focus mode in Perplexity AI helps you find relevant video content instantly. In this guide, I will show you step by step how to use video focus mode in Perplexity AI effectively. Okay, so first thing first, open Perplexity AI. Okay, so go to perplexity.ai or open the mobile app. Okay, start a new search. Okay, and ready, be ready to search. Okay, so select video mode. Okay, from your settings, look for the focus option, choose video. Okay, and then activate video based search. Okay, ask a video friendly question, for example, how to build muscle fast tutorial. Okay, for example, this is just an example. Okay, for example, like this. And you can also ask iPhone 15 review video, learn present simple English lesson. Okay, and then press enter. Okay, it's best for tutorials and demonstrations. Pros video results. Okay, so you will see video thumbnails, titles, and sources. Click to watch. It's quick access to content. Okay, so choose the best video, so look for high views, clear titles, trusted creators. Okay, avoid low quality videos. Okay, because quality matters. Okay, use follow-up prompts, give shorter videos, best tutorial for beginners, explain what the video shows. Okay, so refine results. So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next tutorial.